So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your problem. Your device is missing important or security updates. Make sure to keep your device on and plugged in so updates can complete. So how to fix this error? What you have to do is close everything and then open your start menu and search for services. Then click on services, and once you're in services you have to find Windows Update and double click on it. Once you double click on it, you have to click on manual and then select automatic from here. Once you do this, click automatic and then click stop. This will load a bit and then you have to click on start again. This will load again and then click OK, apply, and then restart your PC. After you restart your PC, you just have to wait for a few seconds, and once your PC boots up, try to go in settings and check your updates and your error should be gone. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.